Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Humminbird ICE 35 is probably one of the most sought-after ice fishing fish finders on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a powerful combination of features designed to help you locate and catch more fish during the brutal winter months. This unit boasts a dual-beam sonar with a 24-degree and a 9-degree beam, allowing you to cover a wider area or focus on specific depths, which is crucial for adapting to different ice fishing scenarios and water conditions. Its high-definition display provides crystal-clear images of your surroundings, making it easier than ever to distinguish between fish, structure, and the bottom, even in low-light conditions. Number 5. Humminbird ICE Flasher Series Carrying Case. Introducing the Humminbird Soft-Sided Carrying Case, designed specifically for your ICE Flasher Series products. Keep your valuable equipment safe and secure when you're on the go. This case offers a perfect fit for your ICE 35, ICE 45, and ICE 55 models. Ensure your fish finder is protected from bumps and scratches during transport. Crafted from durable, soft-sided material, it provides excellent protection without adding unnecessary bulk. It's the ideal companion for any angler. Please note that this carrying case does not include a mounting shuttle, battery, or charger. It is solely designed for the protection of your fish finder unit. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited warranty included with your purchase. Trust Humminbird to protect your investment. What we like. This soft-sided carrying case offers excellent protection for your valuable ice fishing electronics. Its durable construction shields your unit from bumps and scratches. If you prioritize keeping your fish finder safe during transport and storage, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The entire flasher, shuttle, battery, and all fit snugly inside the soft-sided case. Hard plastic base, full-length zippers front and back, pockets on the side, and you don't even have to remove the entire unit to charge up for another trip out to the shanty. Nice easy access bag. Very wide openings for access to the screen and battery bay. The front flap opens fully to expose unit's controls, but the best part is that the flap zips all the way down to keep the transducer and the connecting wires from falling out of the shuttle compartment. Made of tough material, zippers have large enough tabs to operate with gloves on. Number 4. Humminbird Portable Ice Kit ICE PTC 11920H57. Introducing the Humminbird Portable Ice Kit, designed for the serious ice angler. This kit provides everything you need to get out on the ice and find the fish. It features a dual-beam sonar ice transducer for clear and accurate readings. This allows you to precisely locate fish and understand the underwater terrain. This kit is compatible with several HELIX models, including the HELIX 7 and HELIX 5 series. You can easily integrate it with your existing fish finder setup. Included is a portable shuttle with a carrying handle, a premium bag for easy transport, and a gimbal mounting bracket. You'll also find a HELIX power cable and all necessary installation hardware. With its durable construction and thoughtful design, this kit is ready for any ice fishing adventure. Get yours today and experience the Humminbird difference. Your purchase is backed by a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. Focus on your fishing, knowing you're covered. What we like. This portable ice kit provides everything you need for a mobile ice fishing setup. It includes a premium bag, shuttle, and a dual-beam ice transducer. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to easily move your fish finder between fishing spots, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The transducer was correct and the put-together was easy. Works great. Works exactly as expected if not better. The outer case is good quality. Number 3. Humminbird ICE Transducer 11919. Introducing the Humminbird ICE Transducer, designed to enhance your ice fishing experience. This essential accessory provides specialized sonar for your Humminbird ICE fish finder. Experience superior detail and coverage with its dual-beam sonar. It combines 2 beams, offering both precision and a wide view of the underwater world. Specifically engineered for compatibility with the Humminbird ICE 35, 45, and 55 models. You can rely on it to work seamlessly with your existing fish finder. This transducer comes complete with an 8-foot cable and a float. It ensures proper positioning in your ice hole, so you get the best readings. It delivers powerful 2D sonar capabilities for accurate fish detection. Please note that this model provides sonar only and does not include a temperature sensor. What we like. This ICE transducer delivers precise dual-beam sonar specifically for your Humminbird ICE fish finder. It offers both detailed targeting and wide coverage. If you need a reliable replacement or an upgrade for your existing IC 35, 45, or 55 model's sonar capabilities, this transducer is a great option. What people say. Reads fish perfectly. Works fine. It performed perfectly. Number 2. Humminbird ICE35 Ice Fishing Flasher. Introducing the Humminbird ICE35, the ultimate tool for your ice fishing adventures. Experience unparalleled performance and reliability on the frozen water. Its advanced sonar technology provides a crystal-clear view of what lies beneath the ice. Easily identify fish and understand the underwater terrain. The intuitive flasher display shows you real-time fish movements and depth information. This makes it simple to track your target and adjust your strategy. Built to withstand the harshest winter conditions, this device is both durable and reliable. You can count on it to perform when you need it most. Elevate your ice fishing game with this exceptional piece of equipment. It's designed to help you find more fish and increase your success rate. Make the smart choice for serious ice anglers. This flasher offers the features and performance you need for a rewarding day on the ice. What we like. This ice fishing flasher offers a bright, easy-to-read display with excellent target separation. Its adjustable gain and zoom allow for fine-tuning your sonar returns. If you're a serious ice angler who demands clear, detailed information to pinpoint fish and bait, this unit is designed for you. What people say. Using the transducer is a game-changer to your day out on the ice. My friend uses the ICE 45 and marks equally the same amount of fish that I am able to mark. Big difference is in the screen display. Number 1. Humminbird HELIX Ice Conversion Kit, Mega Live. Instantly see your target with a high-visibility fiber optic display. It offers 3 or 6 color options for immediate feedback. Distinguish your bait from fish with incredible precision, especially when jigging. This detailed view helps you understand what's happening underwater. Fine-tune your sonar returns to get a clearer picture. Easily lock onto the strike zone for better fishing opportunities. Experience reliable cold weather performance thanks to its durable shuttle and transducer. It's built to withstand icy conditions. This kit offers year-round usability. It's compatible with both ICE transducers and conversion kits for continuous fishing enjoyment. What we like. This HELIX Ice Conversion Kit is designed for advanced anglers seeking the latest technology. It's compatible with Mega Live and offers rugged, ice-ready performance for all-season use. If you're looking to upgrade your HELIX system for cutting-edge live sonar on the ice, this conversion kit is the way to go. What people say. Screen is much larger than competitors. And has a battery level indicator that most other devices don't. It has a bigger screen than the Vexlers that all my buddies use, and to be honest they are actually picks up fish better. I've used it 4 days in a row without charging it and it's only at half battery life. The adjust zoom is amazing for catching those finicky crappies and the LED screen can be seen from any angle. Also the dual beam allows you to see the other holes around you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.